G'day everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Welcome to this episode where we're going to take a look at Outlook Online and the feature or functionality that allows you to drag and drop an email from your inbox and create a Microsoft ToDo task or a calendar item. So oftentimes when you're looking through your email, you want to quickly maybe create a task or quickly create a calendar or a meeting around that email. All right, so let's have a look in Outlook Online how we can do that by dragging and dropping. All right, so you can see here I'm in Outlook Online. I'm in the PWA at the moment, and you can see in the navigation bar across the top here, I've got this icon, calendar, and a tick, which tells us that it's going to pop out the calendar and the Microsoft ToDo panel here. So we've got the calendar in the first tab, and we've got ToDo in the second tab. Now let's say we're in our email in our inbox here. We're scrolling through our emails, and we come across an email that we want to maybe create a task to follow up on, like this one here. So what we can do here is we can just grab this, drag and drop this across onto this panel, and you can see here as I hover over each box, I can either create or add as a task or add it as an event. So the first thing I'm going to do is add it as a task. So I'm just going to drop it on there, and you can see here that it's been added as a task. Now, when I right click this now, I can set a due date, a reminder, I can mark it as important. So what we might do is I'm just going to set a due date here of Friday, and we can now have a look at and see that it's due on Friday. We can also add it to my day, mark it as complete, edit the title, and the other options available for us there. Now, the other thing that we can do is drag. What we might want to do also is maybe create a calendar event or a meeting, let's say. So I've just received this email from the administrator here, and what we might want to do is follow up with a meeting. So let's just now drag and drop this across here and add this as an event. So I'll drop it on the event box there. You can see it pops up with a dialog box here, and I can now schedule my meeting. All right, let's make it a Teams meeting. We might want to make it for Tuesday at 5 p.m. and we will now send that off. Now, what we can see here, the title of the meeting will be the email title, but you'll also notice here that it automatically adds the person that sent you that email. It automatically adds them to the invited users box there. All right, so we can send that off. That person will then get that calendar invite for the meeting, and we are good to go. All right, great little functionality there. Drag and dropping your emails either to create a task in ToDo or to automatically create a calendar event or a meeting. Hope that brings you some value. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.